Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to Thela Fashion. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a side pocket. If you end up liking this tutorial, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment down below. So I have already cut out the pattern of a short onto my fabric. I also have my lining piece, and you should use a very light lining for this. And I also cut out a little flap piece with the fabric, and I'll be giving out the measurements for all of this later on in the video. First thing I'm going to do is measure out the allowance that I took while cutting the shorts. So while cutting the shorts, I added half an inch allowance to the side. So I'm just going to measure and draw it out just for reference. At the top there, I'm going to measure out 2 inches from the reference line, and I'm also going to measure a length of 7 inches. And I'm just going to connect those dots together. I'll also make sure to notch the fabric. This is actually very important because it helps with the sewing. Then I'm going to go ahead and iron this flat. The width of my lining piece is 7.5 inches on fold, which means that it is a total of 15 inches wide and it is 12.5 inches long. Now I'm just going to go ahead to attach the lining piece to the fabric, and I'm going to make sure that I'm placing the lining piece in front of the fabric, that is the front of the fabric, and I'll just flip it over and sew on the line that we folded in. And while I'm sewing, I'm going to make sure that I sew from the edge of the notch till the top. Now I'm going to fold in the lining and make sure that the two edges of the lining are on the same line. Now we can see the pocket is starting to form, but we have to cover the pocket piece or the lining piece that we can see through now, and that is where the flap piece comes in. So we're going to place the flap piece over that area that we can see now so it can cover it up, so we'll have the same fabric showing. So this is what we have now, and you can see it's a lot neater. All we're going to do now is notch the lining or the pocket piece at the same area where we notched earlier. That's at the 7-inch length mark, and this is so we can sew it easier. Now I'm going to flip the pocket inside out so I can sew the edges. And I'm sewing the edges so that when I put my hand in the pocket, my hand actually stays in the pocket. So now I want to measure the true length of the pocket, and I'm taking 6 inches from the notch that we made at the edge there. So now I'm going to separate the edge of the pockets from like the rest of the pockets, as you can see, and just sew on it just like that separately. Just adjust everything to make sure everything is nice and flat. So now I'll be joining the entire pocket to the fabric, and then I'm also going to come to that 6-inch mark that we made earlier and sew on it again and make a horizontal stitch on it. So this is what I have now. Now I can go ahead and attach the other side of the shorts to it. And I'm going to attach it with the 1/2-inch seam allowance that we took at the beginning of the video. While I'm sewing, I'm going to make sure that I move the pocket to the side so I don't end up stitching the pocket also. But I also make sure that I stitch as close as possible to the notch. And this is what we have now, so you can go ahead and complete your shorts, trousers, skirts from here depending on what you're sewing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed this tutorial, if it was helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. Leave a comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.